Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. A machine so portable you could literally take it on a road trip if you have a weird obsession with always having premium ice. Need ice now? Boom. 6 minutes. Auto cleaning function. Of course, because scrubbing an ice maker sounds like a personal nightmare. If you've got a tiny kitchen or a deep love for snackable ice on the go, this is your guy. At number 4, we've got the Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop with soft chewable pellet ice. If your biggest fear in life is running out of ice, rest easy. This thing cranks out 35 pounds of the good stuff daily. Sleek, modern, and self-cleaning, because who has time for maintenance? This bad boy will keep you stocked for every party, cocktail night, or completely unnecessary but satisfying cup of plain ice munching. Rolling in at number 3, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is here to prove that size doesn't matter. It's all about performance. It's compact, it's quiet, and it spits out 33 pounds of perfect nugget ice per day without making a fuss. Hosting a party? Or need an endless supply of chewable ice for your borderline unhealthy habit? This one's got your back. And yes, it cleans itself because at this point, that's just the bare minimum. In second place, we're back to EUHOMY, but this time, it's their bigger, beefier version. This machine is for the serious ice lovers, the ones who take their chewable ice as seriously as their morning coffee. With a 44-pound daily output, it's practically a nugget ice factory. And let's not forget the sleek design and automatic cleaning mode, because looking good while being lazy is the dream. And now, for the undisputed champ, the GE Profile Opal 2.0. If you're out here looking for a nugget ice maker with Wi-Fi connectivity, a massive 38-pound daily output, and a side tank for extended operation, congratulations, you've found the A1. This machine doesn't just make ice, it makes statements. The LED display, the sleek design, the fact that you can control it from your phone, it's basically the Tesla of ice makers. So, if you want the absolute best, go with the Opal 2.0, but let's be real. Any of these machines will make you a superior human with superior ice. So, which one are you picking? Drop it in the comments. And like and subscribe for more great product reviews that are hype-free and no nonsense. Now go forth and enjoy your chewable ice supremacy.